Oh yeah, this was Tuff Shed installation day. We had installed a 10 by 8 slab. Tuff Shed did a fantastic job there. There were two gentlemen here. They came in by 9 o'clock. They were down by 12, close to 12 o'clock, so about 3 hours. Most of the cut was already done. They came in and put everything back together. We had the windows on the left side, double doors. They pinned over everything. They did a really fantastic job there. I had requested them to have a 2-foot on the edge open to allow me to do additional edging there. As you can see there, those were double edging stone that I installed. Also added Caribbean white bevel stone there. I purchased 38 bags of Caribbean white bevel stones there, and 48 stones from edging stone from Lowe's. And this is the nighttime view of the completion of the project. Thank you.